ka jingpenchai jong minturangba ka chala konrat ke sangma halor ka jingja hanongba tura ka apsautrek naitung hakaba kaladon ka jingong ba ka hurihura kadei ka baladon ka jingya penbe bat ka jingtmu kadei ban pensaw yu kala penlong yu nong yalam ka TMC bobat ku presiden uba Charles Pyngrope ban mi sakmat ban kren sekilat pthai kubor habai kermat kilat pthai kubor uba Charles Pyngrope ulong badai bandon ke jing toket kabalai loi ban lap iki jing sisa bat kentui ke sarkar ban kyar na kale politics halor ke jingja hatura ban kenno iki seng san prathai
as a president of the party or even as a legislator I totally condemn the incidents that happened in Tura irrespective of who were the perpetrators of the incident because civilization like ours, we can't afford to behave like barbarians, and especially to try and bodily harm the Honourable Chief Minister it's a disgrace to our community and to the state as a whole. And such things should never have occurred in the first place. That is my view. And I raised my concerns about this, but somehow it was not aired out in the press. Well, I would not like to comment on what the Honourable Parliamentary Party Leader has said, but an independent probe will definitely go well down with the people of Meghalaya because we also want to know the truth as to who has committed. But my humble request is let us not politicize the matter and not say it was TMC or the BJP or the Congress or anyone. Let it be that let evidence. They have picked up some people and they have interrogated them also, and also let truth prevail, and then law will take its own course. And in the case of Richard Marat, I was made to understand that at that point of time he was not even in the place of occurrence. So I find it quite surprising that the police picked him up. They could have picked him up for questioning, but to detain him was somehow I felt not logical.
So Richard Marat was not there?
As far as my knowledge goes, his wife has been discharged from the hospital the same day. And I was made to understand that he was with his wife at that time in his own residence.
Then it shows that he's politically motivated.
What it shows is let the court of inquiry or the commission of inquiry come up with the facts and figures. See, in my opinion, first of all, the police, when they get their inputs as to what is happening or what is going to happen, they should act swiftly, irrespective of whether it happens or not. Because, after all, the CM is a protected person. So they should have, I don't know how the crowds managed to get that close in the first place. Number two, like the other incidents you're talking about, the police have to be more proactive. I would say, you can't blame them for everything because half the time they are also overburdened and I was made to understand they've been understaffed. So this is the reformation of the department with the officers who can handle the situation must be put in the right place so as to avoid such incidents in future.
So, but CM insisted that the arrest of the TMC workers, everything, was based on evidence. He insisted that there are video evidence of these people who were.
Well, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. If there is video evidence, then then the police have done the job. We're not denying that. You need evidence, and if there's video evidence, well, the court of law will see it, and then accordingly the judgment will be passed. Well, if they had the information, like they said, that DGP said we knew this something was wrong, then they should have put the proper SOPs in place.
So
as to how you deter such an incident when you are aware that this incident is going to happen.
So your party has demanded suspension of both the DGP and West Goda's SP. Do you still stand?
Well, that is not my. I have not issued any statement as the party president to that effect.
Shimye ka kabu sha ka lawe ka bakwat bakhya da ka baphiwan man pha pet batsha sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic ka badan Hanongram Hills Shillong phila ban chu phone ne pha message ban bu por yakin do ba Dr. Sinrang Batngen Wadri u Dr. Balapintibit haka ban sumar jingpang klong snam ka clinic ka play man ka sngi light no haka sngi ublay na do ka khatway baje min step hado and re baje janmet